Okay, we have here today another interesting integral from the UNSW integration bee from 2020. This was problem D1. We have the integral of square root of x over 1 minus x cubed dx. Okay, now this actually seemed like a really difficult problem at first. I didn't quite know where to start just because it's really hard to think of a u substitution when there's nothing outside the radical. I think I tried a u substitution for the whole thing and it seemed like that was going to be pretty messy. So what I came to was what I needed to do at first was just kind of rewrite it and kind of break this out and write the x in the numerator. We write this as x to the 1/2. And then I can write the denominator under the radical. I can write this as 1 minus x cubed. But for the x cubed, as we have a half here on the exponent here, what I want to do is write this as x to the 3/2 squared. But now writing it like this, my thought process is if I can do a u substitution and call this here my u, then we have 1 minus u squared in the denominator. It looks like a u substitution could work well with the x to the 1/2. If we can make this work, then maybe we have something pretty simple. So let's just go ahead with this. I'm going to take a look at my u being just x to the 3/2. We'll take a derivative. Du, using the power rule, this is going to be 3/2 x to the 1/2 dx. Now that's not bad because we have our x to the 1/2 right there. I'll take this 3/2, I can just create this, but then so I don't change it, we'll multiply by 2 over 3 in front. 2/3 times 3/2 is just equal to 1. So now we'll just go ahead with this thing over here to the left. So this is going to turn into the integral of, again, this whole thing's our du, so this is just going to be du over the square root of 1 minus u squared. But that's some really good news because this thing right here, this is just the integral for arc sine. So what we have left integrating, this is going to be just 2/3 arc sine of u. So all we need to do is just a quick back substitution right here. So for my final solution, we just get 2/3 arc sine of x to the 3/2, give it parentheses and a plus c, and that's it. Okay, so I found this one pretty surprising. It seemed pretty difficult at first, and yet we were able to finish it in like 2 steps or 3 steps. So anyway, good one from UNSW 2020. Thanks everyone for watching. Have a good day.